We're camping off the grid.
Yo, 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 YouTubers.
Today, we're baking with Josh and Ange's one-pot Thai pasta. Even though we're off the grid, I haven't lost all my fancy maneuvers, so I'm gonna put a graphic on the screen here. It's black and white because we're off the grid.
Helicopter. I believe search and rescue has been called at this point because there's a helicopter coming through in the deep wilderness.
We're gonna fill a large stock pot, Dutch oven, or small camping stove. We're modifying the recipe for the great outdoors.
MSR pocket rocket, it's not messing around.
Pocket rocket.
Simple blade of grass. Isn't that cool?
Oh no.
Oh, we are attracting
That is a lot of bugs.
a lot of bugs.
Do you have our
right
bug
now.
hat?
Yeah, let me rescue you from the bugs.
I'm gonna put this on my head now. Is that really just what it does?
People are usually wearing a hat.
Good news is, when you're off the grid, you're wearing aprons, and you're doing a baking video, the only thing that can bring it down a notch to make it less weird, right? It's like our wedding day.
Mysterious, yeah.
And I didn't have any mosquitoes bothering me on that day either, so.
I will now attempt to perform hot cross buns. Okay. I've never used a can opener on a pocket knife, but I think this is a good opportunity. Hey, she can do it!
I will now perform the opening theme of The Office on my hand whistle.
Call it a hand horn. Hey, that works!
No! No!
She's really at home in the woods, ladies and gentlemen. Oh.
Good thing for apron pockets. Oh, the flies. No. They love my bean sprouts.
Victorinox, the original Swiss Army knife.
No!
Left choy.
Don't clap. Don't clap when you're holding your recipe. What about when you went to Nepal and hiked to the very top of Mount Everest? Did you do a baking show up there?
Come on. Come on. I did not hike to the top of Mount Everest, as cool as that sounds. My brother Matt and I, we did hike a little higher than Everest Base Camp to go see Mount Everest. We climbed up to the top of Kala Patar. It was an adventure and it was awesome, but we did not cook up there.
Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the pasta and mix until it's coated.
Who needs a kitchen, you know, when you got the great outdoors?
Whisk until combined. I don't have a whisk, but I do have a camping fork. Add the garlic and shallots and saute for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Carrots and zucchini. Oh, look at that. I would go ahead and add your pasta back in.
Pasta. The bird attacking us.
Oh, and pour the sauce over the top. Ah. This is just how we eat out in the wilderness. Some people bring their pancakes, protein bars. We bring that, and we bring one-pot Thai pasta. The outdoors are dressing up for us. Look at all these beautiful flowers. We're gonna get really fancy for the outdoors too. You're welcome, nature. We've foraged for this food and now we're making it at Costco, Fred Meyer, and Target. I hear people. Hi!
It's not weird.
Different
We're
things.
doing a baking with Josh and Ange, which is not us. It's like
No.
Angela from The Office and her husband.
Oh,
We're
that's a big deal.
filming ourselves making their meal.
Do you have like a cooking channel on YouTube or something?
Not actually.
Not quite.
Do you watch The Office?
Yes.
You know Angela.
Yes.
She is a delight in person, not mean like her character. And she and her husband, they have a baking show.
Yeah, they really
And
do.
So
Oh.
Baking with Josh
we
and
just make their recipes because
She's
we're
such
just
a terrible
we're
character.
dorks.
She
But
is
she's
the worst.
most
In real life, she's
delightful.
like really sweet.
You should follow at Angela Kinsey
I
on
will.
Instagram and you'll see this.
I like baking.
Yeah, you guys are gonna be, next time we come out here, we'll be like, it's them!
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're gonna find us right here.
Yeah, then we'll leave all of this right here for you when you come back.
I'm glad I'm not dumping it on the ground right now, but that looks pretty awesome. Well, what's left?
Now we dish it up and eat it.
Oh my.
One pot Thai pasta off the grid.
That's really good. There's a lot of flavors.
Oh, so good.
So Josh, this Josh challenges you to do one of your recipes au natural.
Not, okay,
Wait,
it's not.
I challenge you to do one of your recipes in a simplistic, more off-the-grid manner.
Okay, make a cake out in the wilderness. That's delicious. So the next time you find yourself out in nature with your aprons and these exact ingredients, you whip yourself up a little bowl of one-pot Thai pasta. You won't regret it. Hashtag nature.
I guess that's about it. That was delicious.
Well, now that we're done with this guy, I haven't wanted to brag about it on the internet yet, but I've been watching some YouTube videos about whittling, and I'm really excited. My husband bought me this super safe for me knife.
As before, I knew her very well.
I'm really good with it.
Yeah, you're supposed to dangle it from there.
From the cord.
That's how you're
right.
supposed to.
I just thought now that we don't need this lovely bamboo cutting board anymore, maybe I could try to whittle it into one of the many designs that I have seen. I really feel like I can do this. There's so many professional whittlers I follow. Now's my time to shine.
Hey, it's your cutting board, I guess. I want to be a supportive husband.
Oh, it's coming together.
Guess we can always get another cutting board.
So it's not perfect. Obviously, it's my first try, and I'm just trying a new design that I saw on YouTube.
Can I look?
You can look.
Still looks
Ta-da!
like a cutting board to me.
No, it's different. It's like a pear shape, but it did something a little different. 3D.
Oh my!
What? Oh.
Whoa!
It's a 3D pear. I whittled it. Ah.
Well, that is mind blowing.
I'm gonna put a graphic on the screen now. It's my pear cutting board that I just whittled behind that bush over there.
I'm so proud of you.
Whoa.
Wow.
I'm gonna enter it in the fair. Happy whittling.